Welcome back to Broken Broke Garage. Another video pretty much on the bed. We're doing other things now. My eyes are starting to mess up from welding. So my buddy's gonna weld this up right through here. And then he's going to weld this solid for me. There was a hole in the bed for the fuel cell that they put in it. And we're gonna put a piece where it's cut out right there. Hopefully you guys can see. So I'm gonna have him weld that up. My eyes aren't doing the welding stuff right now. Hopefully I can weld again, but I don't know. It's messing with my eyes for some reason. I don't got the best of eyes as it is. So let him get that done, and then we'll do that. This is how this is pretty much looking. I got some of that rust repellent on it because it was bare metal. But yeah, you can barely even tell that happened. I just got to finish that part up. Tail light fits in there very well actually. And then after he welds all that up, we're going to start looking at the bed sides to see if we have to buy a section of bedside for that, or if we can use it from that bed to make that good. But we get in there, then we got to flip the bed over. But I don't know if that'll be in this video or not. So let us get that done. I'm having to use my phone because my camera keeps doing that, but so hopefully the quality's still good. I've been trying to use the camera more for better quality, but we got this done. It looks pretty good. I don't see a problem with it. It's still a bed, so it's still gonna get used. Right here we have a bunch of dents, which I'm actually about to do this. I'll show you guys. I'm going to oh, I'm trying to look through my phone while I do it. Use that like so I can find them all. Take some sandpaper over that, and then I'll be able to see where they all at. And we're gonna try to pull them out with the dent puller that we have back here. That needs done, but we're not gonna mess with that right now. This got welded up, so that's good. I'll finish that when I finish that, but I'm gonna focus on doing this now because I'm sick of looking at the same spot of the truck. We gotta get these off, but I'm probably gonna have to cut them out, so I'll probably do that during the week. My plan is to get this side of the bed done in this video. Probably gonna have to sand the whole side of the bed down like this to find everything and pull some stuff out because there's some pretty big dents in here. Don't want to fill with body filler. I'd like to pull them out more. So that's the plan. So, yep, the camera's still broke. It's just doing this, it's all froze. Hopefully, if anyone knows the camera I should buy that's relatively cheap for making these videos, let me know. But you can kind of see it in the video, there's dents right here. This is what we're trying to get out, obviously, like I already said. We're gonna use this bad boy. Try to get them out. It should weld to that. Take one of these guys, put in there. And I'm gonna try to go right there for this one. Oh. Might have to take some more off that. Too much paint on that thing. Let me grab my sanding block. I can just get a piece of sandpaper. Get it down to bare metal real quick. That should work. We're gonna put one there, one here. And one up here. just like that. One over here. I'll do that one later on. Hopefully it welds to it now. Just like that. Now we'll be able to pull that out. So I'll start a time lapse to get that, because you guys aren't gonna want me hear me slamming on it with this. Get those dents out as much as we can so we don't have to use that much filler. As you guys can see, got the dents out. There's still a little bit there, but nothing like it was. I need someone to like hold that in there so I can, like, when you pull it out, it puts a little dent this way in it, so I can get that out real easy with that. So I've already done it before. Yeah, I don't know, those ones will be easy to cover up. Not as much will be used for filler wise. This, I gotta see how bad it is right here. Sorry about the camera. Might not even pull them out. I might pull it out a little bit right here because it's pretty good. But other than that, that'd be easy to fix. This down here, I don't know if I even showed you guys. This was like sticking out a lot, which I got to go in. So that should be okay to cover up. Just needs we need to weld this right on. And then back here, this is gonna be pretty hard. We gotta get all this fill out and see how big this dent is, because we can probably get it out a lot more than what it is now. So that would be good to do. But yeah, I'm gonna go in for the night. We'll come probably work on that for the video, and then finish sanding this whole side and welding this shut. So pretty much get it ready for primer. Got all the Bondo off this section. We got a pretty bad one right here. A few few little ones here and there, but it's kind of bad, honestly. I'm gonna try to do my best to make it look good. We'll see what we can do, but we'll definitely get a lot of it out. See what we can't do. Sorry about the glare from the light, but yeah, we got this long one right here. So yeah, let's start getting these out. I'll start pulling them, probably make you guys a little time lapse. Probably try to get these little ones out too. That go through here, straighten this out, and go from there. And then we gotta get this thing off, which I think I gotta cut the bolts. So yeah, let's get to it. Well guys, it's better, but it's not perfect. That came out pretty good. That one definitely did have to weld that a little bit. There's a little hole. This did not come out that good, but it did come out more than what it was. And same with this. Should take a lot less body filler to fix all this. And then hopefully we can make it look good with the body lines and stuff. But yeah, now I'm gonna work on getting this off and just sanding the rest of the bed side down. We still gotta weld this solid, and then probably start on the other side soon. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but as you guys see, got Morgan out there helping me. Got pretty much the whole bed side sanded down. Just gonna get the top and then work on the other side. But we're almost to where we can put filler on these spots that I need to, and this side can get pretty much smoothed out and ready for primer. This is one of the spots that we're gonna fix first. It's a lot better than it was, but it's still kind of bad, so we gotta add some filler and stuff to it, obviously. Why are you blowing smoke?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the sand shit off my bait.
Oh my god. Well, we're gonna put some of this rust tough for the animal stuff on it. It's supposed to stop rust because there's some rust here. Hopefully it works for a long time. I don't know. Hopefully we don't have to ever redo this truck. But I'm sure we might. So I'm just gonna spray this whole thing down before we put filler on it, just a light coat.
Did you try it?
Yeah. I degreased it already too.
Get out of my way.
So. Oh gosh, mine again?
Yeah, again.
And this black stuff really helps us see where the dents are too. So yeah, we'll leave it like that.
Fuck.
Hopefully that dries up quickly, and then we can add some filler to this section. But yeah, that dent came out. You can still see it obviously right here. Look at it if you want to try to show them. Right in this corner. It was pretty bad. Still gonna take
Can't really see, there's no light.
Still gonna take some good filler to fill that one out.
Still no light.
But other than that, it's better than what it was. It won't take as much filler as they had in there. So hopefully we don't have a problem with it cracking. Well yeah, add some filler to that, start sanding it down. I got a dent to get out down there, and gotta get that stuff ready to add filler, and then we just gotta straighten out the whole bed. What's going on, guys? I don't know where I left off in the video, but we got this side actually pretty good. The rest of it's sanded, and this is getting pretty smooth. Yeah, I'm taking a break from working on this side because I'm getting bored of it. And we gotta get that side sanded and see what we need to do for that side. So come over here, we found a hole. We're probably gonna have to order a bedside. Finish knocking all this stuff out and see what we got. There's a huge dent here, but I don't know if I'm just gonna try to smooth this back out and leave it. I'm gonna try to see like what it feels like by going up in there, seeing if it's bad or what I should do about that. But we might wind up just smoothing that back out and just leaving it. This is all sanding pretty well. This is the worst thing I found so far, and we only got this done. And this is pretty bad, but we should be able to order a bedside pretty easily. So I've just been sitting here trying to see where it ends though. Knocking it out. What do you think about that, Morgan?
It's probably that whole Bondo spot.
You think it's this whole thing? Yeah, look, there's a hole there. So I'll just keep picking at this like this. Trying to break it out of there. So I'll have to sit here and sand it out. So after I get it mostly off, see how big the hole is, I'll come back to you guys.